How to sell a used pneumatic roller. When it comes to selling a used pneumatic roller, the best place to do this is on Truck and Trailer. It's advised that as much information is given as possible about the unit being sold, and information pertaining to the following points will go a long way in helping you to sell your machine. Sellers must provide all the basic listing information relating to application, make, model, price, nature of operation, and year. When it comes to providing a detailed description of the unit, sellers should explain the reason for the sale, provide information regarding its past working life, detail its current working condition with reference to the alignment and sturdiness of the wheels, the rigidity of the chassis under operation, the steering, pedals, and controls, the engine and its components, the tires and the degree of wear and tear on them, the hours of use, and finally, the general condition of the unit. Providing this information to your potential buyer will go a long way in assisting them to make an informed buying decision, and it will also make for an easier sales process for the seller. Sell your trucks, machinery, and equipment on Truck and Trailer, South Africa's leading commercial marketplace for trucks, machinery, and equipment.